Do you want to make money on YouTube however you are afraid? Because you don't want to be on camera? Now I can understand that you don't want to show your face because I felt the same way too. But I decided to do something about it and took action to learn the process from YouTube expert Matt Parr. Everything that I am about to explain to you was taught with the training that I took from Matt Parr on how to make money on YouTube without showing your face course. Click the link in the description below. Now I want you to imagine what if you can make money while on YouTube without even being on camera? Can you imagine how it would feel if you could earn money every single day and every single night while you're sleeping? This can be possible. All by simply creating YouTube videos that doesn't require you to show your face. With that type of passive income coming in from YouTube, it can help you pay your rent, pay your mortgage, feed your family, pay your student loans, take a long-needed vacation, purchase a car, buy a new computer, help others in need, quit your 9-to-5 job. Well, in this video you're going to discover just how you will be able to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face. Let's start off by looking at several proven YouTube channel ideas. And while you're doing that, just imagine the new lifestyle you'll have. Relaxing at home, making money from YouTube without even being on camera. Having the freedom to go and do whatever you want. And spend time with the people you love the most. All this and more is starting right now, so let's go ahead and begin. Technology. Do you know how to use a computer? A cell phone? Then you can create simple YouTube videos about how to use certain apps on your phone via a tutorial. On your computer you can show how to maneuver certain software that you use every day. You would be surprised on how many millions of people in the world don't know how to do those simple things, which can lead to millions of views for you on YouTube, all while not showing your face. The more people that watch your YouTube video, the more money you will make. Do you like to read your local newspaper, magazine, or tell stories? Do you know that another great YouTube channel idea is to tell scary stories? Scary stories are super easy to create on YouTube because you can find scary stories from various websites. A good website that you could use is one named Reddit. And if you search for example videos of this, you will notice that nobody is showing themselves in the YouTube videos. In fact, all they're doing is just reading a post from inside Reddit. So a great place for you to find scary stories is to search in a section inside Reddit called No Sleep subreddit, and you can open up any of these stories and turn them into a scary, spooky, creepy YouTube story video. Do you like to sing, whistle, and appreciate the sound and feel of good music? Well, if you do, another great YouTube video idea to create is to make an ASMR video. You must be wondering, just what does ASMR stands for? ASMR meaning is Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. Now don't get caught up in the technical meaning of the word, but just image the sound that everyday items and things that you do make. Whispering, writing, typing, brushing your hair, washing your hands, tapping your feet, counting paper money for all your profits from making YouTube videos, humming, chewing, water drops, the ticking from a clock, cat purring. These are considered sensory response, and YouTube videos like these can help people that have sleep disorders, anxiety attacks, depression, crying babies, anger management issues, a need to feel happy, full body relaxation. By doing a search on YouTube, you will see various examples of ASMR videos that you can make, which will not require you to show your face. Do you like to draw pictures or watch anime? Well, believe it or not, you can create easy YouTube videos similar to that by using Whiteboard Animation. Whiteboard animation is simply the process of using drawn pictures on a digital whiteboard that is recorded in a sequence and then played back to make an animated presentation, otherwise known as video scribing, animated doodling. Some examples of digital whiteboard software are called Doodly, VideoScribe. If you would like to see examples of the digital whiteboard, I will have links down below so that you can check out the software for yourself. Are you a handy person? If you like fixing things and are good with your hands, you can create YouTube videos about life hacks or doing household hacks. There are millions of people out there that don't know how to do simple things like setting up their Wi-Fi router, changing a car tire, install insulation in the attic, playing video games, training their dogs, assembling furniture, installing a deck. Just by you recording yourself doing these things would be considered an instructional video, and it will not require you to show your face. All you have to do is show the action and the viewers will follow along with your actions in the YouTube video that is focused on helping people to learn. Can you imagine just helping people to learn while doing simple things that are easy for you and at the same time you're making money? A great example of a handy YouTube channel is called 5 Minute Craft. They have 70.9 million subscribers on YouTube. I strongly advise you to take a look at the videos posted on 5 Minute Craft because once you observe how super easy the videos are, you could say to yourself, "Hey, I know I can do that." Are you the type of person that gets excited to be in the kitchen because you love to make food? You can absolutely create YouTube videos about how to cook food while at the same time not showing your face. Just by you doing a quick YouTube search, you can see the millions of people that search for the term, "How do I cook blah blah blah?" You can set up a camera showing just your hands preparing the food, prepping the supplies needed to make the food and all the steps you will take to do the cooking process from start to finish. The type of people who are watching these cooking videos are interested in learning the recipe, and they are watching the step-by-step instructions that you will provide to them as you make the food. So you can literally go about your regular normal day doing the things you love to do in your kitchen. Or even outside if you love to make food outside on the grill. All you have to remember is simply just set up a camera and press record. Are you the type of person that a lot of people ask for advice? Have you been told that you have a gift with words? Have you ever been complimented on your voice? Do you feel comfortable speaking but not in public? Then another YouTube channel to make money online without showing your face would be making motivational content. You could be doing your everyday routine and at the same time record yourself talking about what motivates you to wake up and do the things that you do best. All you need is your voice, and location is not important. You can record yourself speaking as you are driving around, walking, relaxing at home, camping in the forest, sitting on the beach. Motivational videos are very popular because it inspires people to take action which can better themselves and change their lives. Imagine how good you would feel knowing that your words have impacted change in someone else's life. People from all walks of life need strength in these challenging times, and you can be the person to give them that strength via a motivational video. In a motivational video, you can show stock video footage playing in the background while your voice or a motivational soundtrack can play in the back end. If you don't want to use your voice, you can hire a voiceover artist to do all the talking for you. Websites like Fiverr.com or Upwork.com is a good place to hire a voiceover artist, which can help make your video more engaging and most importantly helps you to not show your face. Well folks, there it is, just a few ideas that show that you can make money online without showing your face. If you want to make money now and change your life, click on the link in the description. For more information on the step-by-step training I received from YouTube expert Matt Parr. Thank you for watching.